In this tutorial, I will guide you on how to reverse an EFT payment on Standard Bank. So as you can see, reversing a debit order transaction is very possible. So how about the EFT payment? So listen very carefully, as this is the official statement from the Standard Bank app from the Twitter page. To have your funds reversed, you will have to request an EFT payment recall. The process can take up to 10 working days. You can use the below link to download a recall form. Once filled in, you can email it back to the email provided here. They have shown an email. I'll also leave a link in the description for this form you can download. So here is the form, which is a EFT payment recall form, which is here. Payment recall letter. You can fill it and then you email it back to Standard Bank through their email. As a rule of thumb, you should know that EFTs aren't reversible in general. You should not hand over anything until you see the money reflected in your account through. As until then, you can't be sure the transfer was actually made successfully. Ignore any proof of payment, even if you are sure it's from your bank. So this is the rule of thumb. If you are making a business with anyone, make sure that you should not hand over anything until you see the money reflected in your account, since there are so many scams and fraud that are going on. If EFT could be reversed easily, then people could be making some frauds and scam online. So just make sure to follow all the process to have your funds reversed. Just fill this form and email it back. I'll also leave the link in the description for this form so that you can download it. But it's not easy to reverse an EFT payment. You can reverse a debit order transaction, which is very easy. As you can see, the steps have been provided, but reversing an EFT payment is not easy as you might think. So just follow the steps. If you don't understand anything, contact Standard Bank through their Twitter page. They reply very fast and they can guide you through all the necessary steps.